Morning, guys. Today is the fourth day of the Italy trip. Right now is 10:20 a.m. and we are back on the train. Right now we are in Venice, St. Lucia station. So it's gonna take us about maybe 2.5 hours to get to Florence. And right here is the business cabin of the train. If you book the business train cabin about 2 months earlier, you could save a lot of money because for the same price, if you book it just like 1 or 2 days ahead, it's gonna be the same price as the regular cabin. Anyway, see you guys in Florence.
Guys, listen carefully. Never ever fall asleep on the train, especially while in Europe, or all your bags and luggages will be stolen. Watch your stuff at all times, and even watch your purse and your jackets for pickpockets. If you really need to go to sleep, take turns sleeping and always have someone watch your stuff. If you are by yourself, bring your valuables with you if you need to go to the bathroom. Trust me, this is a real big problem in Europe.
We finally arrived to Florence train station. It's gonna be about a 5 to 10 minute walk to our hotel. Let's go. Huh?
Train is so much fun.
Oh, you like taking train?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go to the hotel, all right? What's up, guys? We are finally here in our Florence hotel. I cannot wait to show you this room. Compared to the hotel that we were staying in Venice, oh, this is so much better. This hotel is called Mercury Centro. And right here is the mini bar with a hot water machine and some instant coffee right here. Not only do you have instant coffee, you also have a Nespresso machine. And I don't know what that is. Speakers. Okay, go down to the over here, down here, you got a full mini bar. Everything here is complimentary. This is so nice to see some sparkling water and natural water when you get to your hotel room. Every hotel should be like this. And over here, you get a, what is this room called? I don't remember the room name right now, but I'll let you guys know right here. This room has a king size bed. Yes, it's a bouncy bed. Okay. And then you have a nice spacious area right here for your luggage with a long mirror, a nice huge TV. Drawers here, more space to put your stuff, bathrobes and slipper. You got a nice table right here to put your stuff. This sofa right here is actually a sofa couch. They knew we were coming with a kid, so they opened this up for us. Got a very nice closet, okay? With, of course, a safe. Let's check out the bathroom. Ah, finally. Again? This is Italy, baby. This is called a bidet. It washes your butt. And this is a regular toilet. And then we have cups to use to brush your teeth. You have a little kit right here. You got towels here. You got a hair dryer. Yes, you have a rain shower. And then you have soaps. Yes, I hope this bathroom is waterproof, right? There's no door here, so all the water is gonna start splashing out. All the water is gonna wet the bathroom floor. You gotta watch out for this. What do we have here?
Boo!
Ah! Okay, let's open up the door to see the balcony. You have a very spacious balcony here. I know, it's a balcony. You can see all the way downstairs. But what I don't understand is, how come I can go to another person's room here? Just like that. Or I can go under, right here.
You cannot go down when they get hurt. Look, it's rainbow.
Oh, it's a rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a rainbow. Nice. Okay, let's go back in. This room was almost 600 euros for 4 nights. So if you want to get a good rate, you want to book it early as possible. So now we're just going to unpack our luggages and then we're gonna go look for something to eat. It's about 1:15 right now and we gotta go get some lunch. See you guys later. Oh, they got a very nice outdoor patio area, outdoor yard. Oh, they have a free coffee. This is the check-in area. Got a lot of chairs so you can wait. Now we're going to a nearby food court. It's about 5 minutes walk